Hi guys, welcome to our channel King's Auto Garage. My name is Ramshad Nazar. I am service advisor of King's Auto Garage. Today I will discuss about the simple tips of buying second-hand cars. First point, when we buy a second-hand vehicle, it is always better to see the vehicle in daylight because daylight is best to see if there is any kind of rust, painting damage or dent in the car. As the body of this Range Rover is fully color warped, we cannot check the measurement with this tool. So let's show you how to check the measurement on other vehicle. This is a paint thickness gauge pen or coating thickness tester. It is a tool used to measure the thickness of paint layers. Helps determine if a car has been repainted or repaired due to an accident. By checking paint thickness, it can identify hidden bodyworks, filler, or other non-factory coatings. Second point, check the all glass manufacturing date. If the date of all these glasses are the same, then the glasses of the vehicle have not been replaced. This is a front glass and this side door glass is same and backside glass is same. This quarter panel is glass is not. This is a replaced glass, so not same. This is also same. This is a 2015. This is same 2015, and this same 2015. Third point, you check the tire condition. Tire thread the distance between the top of the thread and the bottom of screws. The legal minimum tire thread depth in the UAE is 1.6 mm. Experts recommend replacing your tire when they reach 3 mm for the improved safety, especially in wet condition. If the checking time of the tire, if there any side wear of the tire inside or outside, it may be due to steering complaint, suspension complaint, or there is any bend in alloys. Start with a visual inspection. Open the hood. Look for sign of oil leaks, rust or worn out parts. Check for cleanless. A cleanless engine does not always mean it is in perfect shape, but excessive oil, drift or grime may indicate oil leak or neglect. Inspect the hose and belts. Check the hose and belts for any cracks, worn out edges, or if they feel too hard or stiff. Second one, check the oil condition. Oil should not be too dark or thick. Check for a milky appearance. This may indicate coolant mixing with the oil, a sign of a blow head gasket. Check oil level. If oil level is low, it may mean the engine is consuming or leaking oil. Third one, inspect the coolant. Check the coolant reservoir and radiator. Coolant should be clean and not brown or rusty. Oil in the coolant indicates internal engine issues. There is no oil dip in this type of vehicles. There is a normal oil sensor and we can see in this meter. Part 2 of this video is coming soon. Please like and subscribe our channel King's Auto Garage. Signing off, Ramshad.